Can ChatGPT solve the 4th day of Advent of Code? Let's find out. I'll take the puzzle input and ask it. So here's the problem. I will attach my input file and let's see what happens. It's looking in all directions, exactly as expected, and counting the words. Yes, basically just trying all the possible directions, possible occurrences of the word, and 2718 is the correct answer to the first part of the problem. So let's see if it can also handle the second part. So this is the second part. Let's see. Okay, so it's basically trying various positions of the mass word. This is interesting. Not sure why this is there. And that is not correct. That is definitely wrong. So I think it got this part kind of weird. So let's try again. It's not correct. Validate against the sample in the program description. Try again. I will give it another chance to correct itself. Sometimes it helps. Not completely sure about this one. It doesn't seem much better. Well, definitely wrong. This is completely wrong, it seems. Yeah. Well, this is surprising. It seemed like it would be a breeze to solve this for ChatGPT, but so far, pretty problematic. Nope. Still going wrong, so let's wait for... Okay, minimal test case. Okay, it's trying against a very, very simple test case, which definitely, clearly doesn't work. So there is something to fix for ChatGPT. But like this, it's checking 4 different positions for M, but just 2 positions for S. That is wrong. That's definitely weird. So it's doing some additional debugging, logging, essentially. Okay. Yeah, it's like it's trying, but it's completely clueless on how to actually resolve the discrepancy that it has. And it's just trying the same thing different ways, which is weird. And I think it's gonna very soon time out as well, because it has a limit on how long it can go on. So I don't think it's gonna go for too much longer. I think the best way it could go is to just throw everything out and try from clean slate, but it doesn't do that so far. So if it continues in this rabbit hole, it will not resolve this. Basically, it's trying the same thing all over again, just in different variations of the same logic. So as a result, it cannot actually fix things. Yeah, unfortunately, it gave up. So surprisingly, ChatGPT handled the first part of the problem without any problems, but the second part of the problem was way too complicated for ChatGPT to solve. So very interesting, very unexpected, but I guess there are still things that ChatGPT has problems with. So pretty interesting result. I will see if tomorrow it will repair its reputation and pass through both parts of the problem. But day 4 is the first time it stumbled this year. So pretty cool, pretty interesting. See you tomorrow.